garden is under attack, it's important to choose the right product. We've gathered information about our garden products to help you pick the best one for your plants. 3-in-1 Garden Spray. Our plant-based 3-in-1 garden spray kills plant pests and mites on contact and provides residual repellency protection. It also helps to prevent and control common fungal diseases. It's a more environmentally and family-friendly option that is perfect for organic gardening. Beetle Boxelder Bug Killer. Our Beetle Boxelder Bug Killer is a patented formula that kills over 100 insects and mites. It kills all stages of target insects, including eggs, making it great for the dormant and growing season. It's ideal for controlling Japanese beetles because the active ingredient won't attract them like other plant essential oils can. It does not control fungal diseases. Vegetable garden insect and disease control. This spray kills garden insects on contact and helps to prevent and control common fungal diseases. It can be used on your indoor, outdoor, and greenhouse plants. It's also great for spot treating your lawn if you're dealing with lawn pests or diseases. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.